Introduction to Accounting, Commerce Lecture Online. How to record a journal entry. Transaction number 5. June 20th is the date. Paid salaries to employees rupees 16,000. Let's see how to record this journal entry in Journal. Let's see what two accounts are involved when we are recording this entry. Whenever we pay salary to employees, we term it as salaries expense. Because the salaries are paid in cash, the second account involved will be cash. This is the amount of transaction. Two accounts which are involved in this transaction are salaries expense and cash. Salaries expense by nature is an expense account. Whenever we are incurring expenses, our expenses are increasing. According to rules of debit and credit, increase in expense debit the account. Therefore, we will record this increase of expense in the debit side of journal. When we are paying salaries from the available cash, the cash, which is by nature an asset, if decreasing from the business. Decrease in asset according to rules of debit and credit should be recorded in the credit side. Decrease in asset, credit the account. That is why this decrease of cash should be recorded in the credit side. Let's see its impact or how to record it in journal. On this particular date, we will record the entry as salaries expense debit by this amount, cash credit by the same amount. Narration or explanation will be paid salaries in cash. This is how the impact of this journal entry will be shown or recorded in journal. Rules of debit and credit are always to be focused. Like, share, subscribe.